Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you what to do if your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are not charging and what to do about it. So what you can do is like really simple. You're gonna have both earbuds in your case. Open the case and you want to hold both of the earbuds like this, slightly pressure them. What will happen is that it's going to change for like 10-15 seconds. It's going to change this and it's going to like flake, and then you're going to close it and open again and try to charge it now if it's going to be, or you can obviously possible to charge it. Of course, try different cable, try different adapter, clean the inside of it, and maybe this is going to work. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you and provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.